In today's video, I showed you guys a 10-minute complexion routine using new and viral drugstore makeup. I showed you guys step by step how to achieve a flawless complexion. So if you guys are interested, just continue to watch. Alright, so we're starting off with primer. I took the Essence Fix and Last Jelly Primer. This is similar to the Milk Hydro Grip, more affordable. I paid nothing more than $5 for this product. So I'm just applying this in my T-zone per usual. Alright, so next I'm going in with some concealer. I took the Rimmel Kind and Free Concealer. Now this was another affordable concealer. I'm just using this to conceal all of my dark spots. So you guys know underneath my eyes and around my mouth, I do like to conceal. So I'm just going in with this concealer. It's very lightweight. I do go in to all of my dark areas just so that I'm concealing before going in with any foundation. So this is how it is looking. I do like to wait for a minute or so just so that it does give me the coverage, and then I do go in with a brush to blend it out. I didn't want to lose any of the product because, like I said, it is very lightweight, so a brush would just allow it to just keep that coverage there for me. Now, foundation of choice today is the NYX Blurring Skin Tint. Now, this foundation, or skin tint actually, is a bit lighter than my natural complexion, but as the video goes on, I'm going to show you guys how to work with a foundation that may be a tad bit lighter. So I did apply that, and now we're going in with some concealer. So I took a lighter version of the Kind and Free concealer, and we're going to use that to brighten up our highlighted areas. So this is nothing new to you guys. You guys know how I normally do my highlight routine. So I'm just going to let you guys watch this part here. And then to blend it out, I'm just taking a damp beauty sponge. Now this concealer was very easy to work with, very lightweight and very easy to blend out. As you guys could see, I wasn't having any difficulties blending it out, no matter how long I took on the area. Once I got to other areas that's been waiting a little longer, it was still easy to blend out. So I really like that aspect of that concealer. I did want a bit more full coverage underneath my eye, so I went in with one more layer, just right where my dark circles are, to brighten up that area. Alright, so now for contour, I'm going in with the NYX Wander Stick. Now this is just going to bring back some darkness, some depth to my skin. Now this is the main part in working with a foundation that may be a little too light for you. This is going to kind of even everything out. So I applied that in all my contoured areas, and I used the butt end of my sponge to blend it out. This is super easy to blend out, very beginner friendly product. So I actually really like this product, guys. You guys have seen it countless times in my videos. So as you guys see, like all that did was darken up the perimeter of my face. Alright, for blush, I'm going in with the NYX Sweet Cheek blush. So I wanted to go in with some cream blush before I went in with my powder. So like I did the contour, I took the butt end of my sponge and just blended this into the apples of my cheeks. All right, to set everything in place, I'm going in with the Revlon BLOT setting powder. Now this is different from the powders I normally use. This is a translucent powder, so this literally disappears into my skin. I like that it still showed the color of the concealer. It did nothing but just set that concealer in place. And you guys could literally see how that got rid of the shine and all the oils that were on my face because of the concealer. So to bronze, I'm going in with my L'Oreal bronzer. This is just going to set all of the contoured areas in place. So I personally like to bronze or contour before going in with my all over powder, because as you can see, it does give like a bit of harshness to my face. So in a bit, you guys are gonna see me go in with my all over powder to really just bring everything together. But this is just gonna set all of those contoured areas in place. And you can't forget the nose. I just wanted to make sure that nose was nicely carved out as well. All right, moving on to my all over powder. I took my Maybelline Superstay powder. I've been loving this stuff. You guys are gonna see how this literally brings everything together. So I took a big fluffy brush and just patted that all over my face. And this is just going to blend all those harsh lines and everything together. This is the main star. This is what's gonna give you that flawless complexion. Now to set my blush in place, I went in with the CoverGirl True Blend So Flushed blush, and this is just gonna set that blush so that it doesn't move. So that's pretty much it for the complexion. I took the E.L.F. Fix and Set setting spray, and this is just going to set everything in place. I do like to take my beauty sponge and just dab that into my skin. Now you could see that this really makes my face look just put together. It looks flawless. This is the most important step, just having a setting spray. So I did apply some lashes off camera. I went in with the Ardell Wispies, the 701s. Now we're just moving on to the lips. I took my LA Girl lip liner in the shade dark brown. This is almost done, guys. I need a new lip liner. If you could recommend any good lip liners, please do in the comments below. And then for lip gloss, I went in with the CoverGirl Yummy Lip Gloss. I love this lip gloss. It's honestly a very affordable yet very nice lip gloss. So for my eyes, I just went in with the L'Oreal Telescopic Lift and just applied that to the bottom lashes. That completes today's look. Very quick and easy 10-minute complexion routine. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.